The Board Development Workshop is an annual premier event by the Institute of Certified Secretaries. We've held this in the past. This year, we'll be holding it between 26th and 28th of October at Lake Naivasha Resort. And we'll be focusing on various issues, key among them being board governance. We'll also look at highly efficient boards, issues to do with board leadership. More particularly, we'll discuss topics like decision making and overview of governance. We'll look at the constitution, roles, rights, obligations, and liabilities of board members. We'll also look at the issues to do with managing diversities, dynamics, and personality conflicts in boards. We'll also discuss issues to do with effective board and committee meetings, board packs, how to prepare minutes, also a key issue to do with measuring and enhancing efficiency of board performance. We'll also discuss fundraising and financial oversight role of the board, and we'll also discuss creativity and strategic leadership role of the board. Among the key target groups for this event includes board members, council members, trustees, chief executive officers, senior managers, public owners, business owners, investors, public officers, private businesses. We'll also be targeting consultants dealing with boards and all other players that have a direct or indirect link with boards of various institutions. We are looking at all sectors, whether public, private, or even non-governmental organizations. Welcome and join us at the Board Development Workshop on 26th to 28th of October this year. Thank you.